Hi, I'm Erica with Crafts Direct, and I want to share with you one of the most fun projects I've ever created. It was so fun to do. I got to play with bubbles. What's more fun than that? So I made two different versions. This first one I made using food coloring and bubbles, and I just mixed the two together, and then I got to blow bubbles on the canvas. Definitely very vibrant colors. Definitely messy. I had stained hands for a little while. So then I wanted to try out mixing acrylic paint with bubbles. It worked just as well, a little less messy, cleaned up a little better. So I want to show you how I went about making these two canvases.
To start out, you're going to want to grab 3 different containers, one for each color, and then add a little bit of your acrylic paint to each container, or use the gel food coloring and add that to a container. Then go ahead and add some bubbles to each container and stir them till everything is nice and mixed. Then you get to do the fun part of dipping your bubble wand in the container and blowing bubbles onto your canvas.
You can find all the supplies to make these projects at craftsdirect.com and go over to the Projects tab.